What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll share the registration process of Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra has recently started the registration for off campus drive. And this drive is for 2020 batch pass outs and 2021 batch pass outs. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the video. First of all, we'll see who can apply to this drive. Now, as I said, 2020 and 2021 batch pass outs can apply for this drive, like those who completed their engineering this year and those who will complete their engineering the next year. Okay, so they can apply next. BE, BTech, and MCA students can apply to this drive. Uh, and the branches that are eligible for applying are CS, that is computer science or computer technology students, and IT students, electronics and telecommunication students, and electronics communication or electronics engineering students, or whatever. And also MCA students can apply to this drive. Next, the next criteria for applying is that you must have at least 60% aggregate. That is, if you are in seventh semester now, then up to your sixth semester percentage, you have to take the average of that, and that should be equals to or greater than that, or greater than 60%. That is equivalent to 6 CGPA. Okay, so you have to first of all calculate your aggregate percentage till sixth semester if you are 2021 batch pass out, and if you have completed your engineering, then you have to take the whole 8 semesters aggregate, and it should be greater than 60%, or you should at least have 6 GPA. Okay, next, let's see the registration process. This is the official site of Tech Mahindra, and here are given some instructions and declaration for registration. Here, candidates must have acquired the qualifications mentioned hereafter in these instructions as a regular scholar from an institution that is duly approved by UGC and recognized by AICTE. See, if your college is approved by UGC and recognized by AICTE, then only you are eligible to register for this drive. Next, candidates having acquired the qualification from any non-UGC approved, non-AICTE recognized institution, or as a non-regular scholar through correspondence courses, online courses, or part-time studies are not eligible to appear for this test and selection. As I said, if you don't know about your college, that whether it is UGC approved or and recognized by AICTE, then please ask your TPO or any faculty from your college. They'll tell you for sure. And if you are not from an institution which is recognized by AICTE and approved by UGC, you can't apply for this drive. So don't worry, there are many other companies who in which you can apply. So yeah. Next, engineering streams or branch eligible are computer science, computer engineering, IT, ENTC, E&C, telecommunication, communication, that is electronics telecommunication or electronics engineering, or MCA students, as I said, as I told you in the previous slides. Okay, next, you should have a minimum 60% in 10th, 12th, and engineering degree. You have to score minimum 60% in 10th as well as in 12th and as well as engineering degree. Now, engineering degree means till sixth semester, because you are if you are a 2021 pass out, you should calculate it till 6th semester. Okay. Now, in case candidate has done diploma after 10th, the minimum of 60% in diploma is mandatory. For those who have done polytechnic after 10th, then in your polytechnic you should at least have scored 60%, then only you are eligible for this drive. Where the candidate has done both 12th or equivalent and diploma, then also minimum 60% in both is mandatory for meeting eligibility criteria. See, if you have done polytechnic as well as 12th, so in both of polytechnic and 12th you should at least score 60%, then only you are eligible to apply for this drive. This program is for those engineering students and or MCA candidates who are passed out in 2020. Candidates passing out in 2021 are also eligible for this program. This is not open to candidates who have passed these courses prior to 2020. See, as I said, the students who passed engineering this year and those who are going to pass engineering the next year are only eligible to apply. Like the students that are of batch till 2019 are not eligible to apply for this drive. Next, system recognition recognizes percentage grade only. In case your academic grading rating is CGPA based, convert them into equivalent percentage grade as per your university guidelines and enter. Entering CGPA rating will result in you being found not eligible for this drive. Enter the percentage up to two decimals. See, if you have calculated your aggregate percent or aggregate CGPA, so you have to convert that CGPA into percentage format, and you have to write your percentage there with up to two decimals. If you wrote CGPA, then you will found like you will be not non eligible student for this drive even after applying for that. Next, details you provide for this registration is an essence of an application form for the internship program. As such, incorrect details, whether deliberately or inadvertently provided by you, will be held against you and may result in withdrawal of offer letter in case issued based on such incorrect information or termination of employment at later stage. See, if you filled any wrong information about yourself, then even if you get the offer letter, you will be fired from the job at later stage, or you won't even get a offer letter. Okay, so be sure to give your information correctly. Next, on successful registration, the registration ID and registration PIN will be sent to you on your mail ID registered with us. You must note down this registration ID and PIN, as you will be requiring this subsequently for all correspondence with us besides for appearing in the test. See, after you register, you will get an registration ID and a registration pin. They are saying that you should note down that ID and pin for further recruitment process. Okay, so don't forget to note that down. Next, candidates meeting the eligibility criteria will be invited for virtual and proctored online tests in about 1 to 2 weeks from the date of candidature registration. See, the after you meet the eligibility criteria, you will get a mail for online proctored test, because in this pandemic everything is become online, so this test will also be conducted as an online test in 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, in case you are already employed, the onus of getting NOC clearance to appear for the test if required by your current employer or getting clear exit to join Tech Mahindra on being offered an employment will solely rest on you. Any experience you may acquired will not be cognizable as such. No extra weightage of any kind in evaluation or job offer is admissible. Next, ensure you meet other eligibility criteria meant for this drive also. If in doubt, revisit the advertisement to understand it. In case you have appeared earlier for Tech Mahindra fresher recruitment drive, either campus or off campus in last 6 months preceding this registration, you are not eligible to register for this drive. There must be a clear gap of 6 months between the date you had last appeared for a Tech Mahindra drive and date of registration. See, if you have applied for Tech Mahindra within 6 months or uh, like few days ago, so you are not eligible to apply it now. If you applied for Tech Mahindra like before 6 months, then you are eligible to apply. There should be a minimum gap of 6 months, like between the last registration and this registration date. Okay. Be careful while filling details related to personal particulars, contact details, academic credentials, and other critical information. Once submitted, these can't be amended or corrected. You may end up losing an opportunity to work with Tech Mahindra. See, if you filled the details incorrectly, Tech Mahindra is saying that you will lose the opportunity to work with Tech Mahindra. So be careful while filling the information. Next, candidates clearing the online test will only be invited for next level of evaluation. Those who will clear the online test will be invited to next level, that will be interview. Okay. Tech Mahindra will not entertain any claim for reimbursement of any expenses incurred by you either towards registration for this drive or for appearing for the test. Tech Mahindra does not charge any fee or payment of any kind for recruitment, nor engages any agency for recruitment on payment of fee or charge. See, if any site or any person is asking you to pay fees for registration of Tech Mahindra, so don't believe him or her or that site, because Tech Mahindra do not uh, engage any agency for recruitment. Okay. Next, after reading all the instructions, we'll continue with this registration process. Okay. Next, you get after clicking on continue, you will get a registration form in which you have to mention the prefix, that is Mr. or Miss. I'll write Miss. Then your first name, put it correctly. Otherwise, you won't be able to modify it later. Then your put your surname, sorry, middle name, and then the surname. Next, you'll definitely have your university enrollment number, so put it here. Next, your date of birth, marital status, whether you are married or single. Next, your gender, that you are male or female. Next, give your mobile number and also give your alternate number, if in case they are not able to um, contact you on your first number, then they'll use this alternative number to contact you. Next, provide your email and be sure to write your email address carefully, because on this only you will get further updates of test, and you will get link of the online test and any other stuff. So be careful while filling the email. Next, if you have done any post graduation, mention it here. If mention your engineering graduation of select your degree, whether BE or BTech. Passing year should be 2020 or 2021. Next, mention your college name, your aggregate percentage. See, don't write CGPA here. convert your CGPA to percentage, and then uh, write your percentage here, aggregate percentage. Then choose your stream accordingly. Choose your country, that will be India. Next, your university with like if you are studying in Pune University, then write that, or Nagpur University, or whatever. Next, uh, here, if you have done any science graduation, you can mention it here. If you have done diploma, then mention your passing year, aggregate percentage, and college name here. Next, this is mandatory. Like, if you haven't done diploma, then you uh, should write your 12th percentage, aggregate passing year percentage, and college name here. Next, you have to mandatorily write the class 12th passing year, aggregate percentage, and school name. That's it. This was all about the registration process. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to, upload your resume or whatever. This is a very easy registration process. So don't forget to apply it before the last date of registration, and I'll share this registration link in the description box. Also, I'll share the Telegram channel link. You can join me there. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, as I am helping you guys. So please help me too by subscribing my channel. And let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.